Good morning. I think it's day 19 or 20. I don't know, I'll put it down the bottom. We are now in Port Macquarie. There's Murphy Bay at the beach. We didn't film much yesterday because we were just working. And then it was a rainy day, so we didn't really do anything. And then this morning we've travelled into Port Macquarie, and now we're down here. I went to the cafe this morning for breakfast and did some meetings there. Now we're parked up by the beach. And we're just gonna work here for the day, I reckon. It's nice and quiet because of the weather, but it should be clearing up soon. It's cold. It's cold. We found the dog beach, so we're gonna go for a walk. We've just been working for the last few hours, so I'm just gonna take Murphy for a nice run along the dog beach and then get back to it. And just kind of do not swim. It is quite rough and it's windy and it's wet, so it's not exactly the most pleasant of conditions. Not so much. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's very cold. Go, 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 go. Zoomies, zoomies. I think this is Seal Rocks. I think it's a little park on here, so we'll give it a read before the tide comes in. Alright, we are finished for the day. We're just going to do a 4K walk to this really nice lookout, and then we're going to find somewhere to sleep because the weather's a bit crap and it's been raining all day. Whoa. This is awesome. I think that's where we're going, up there. This is so cool. I wonder if there's whales out there. I think it's a whale season. Whoa. I have a whale of a time. There is whales out here. Hi, Mama. Good morning on day, I want to say 21. We went for the hike yesterday and then we stayed in the spring camp. Had a pub dinner and now we are in Foster. So we're going to go for a little walk along the beach. We'll finish work and we're going to head to a paid campground tonight. So because of the school holidays, everyone's jacked up their prices. I had to pay $47 for an unpowered site. What a joke! But I wanted to have a shower and there was not any free sites or places with dogs, so it was quite difficult around this area. I think it's being on the coast in populated areas. I really want to get away from the populated areas, but it is what it is. It's a nice afternoon now. Sun's out. Might go for a swim when we get back down to the camper. First little view spot. I've arrived at our campground for the night. It was $50 and it's got trees all over the spot. It was just listed as an unpowered site, but there's no way you can fit on it. So I've moved spots and no one else is getting in for the night, so I just double check on the other envelopes in the door and no one else is camping, so that's good. And we're just doing a little walk for the sunset. I can go back and shower, have a nice long hot shower. Makes it dinner. Good morning on day 22. 22? God, it feels like longer. We're in Foster. I think I told you that yesterday. We paid an exorbitant amount for the campground last night. Now we're in town. Just going for a morning walk. Just had a coffee. It's been really nice. We had a really nice neighbour last night. At the beach now, and when I was having a coffee just before, the shark alarm went off because they have drones that check out the whole beach throughout the entire day, which is cool. So there was a shark there before. Let's go for a walk on the beach. Gorgeous beach. Come on. Oh, could definitely go for a swim here. Hey! Look at these epic sand dunes. This is so cool. Oh, go, baby, go! Are you feeling it, Miss Beth? So I think we're at Cape Hawke, I think it said. I can't remember now. Just at that lookout was really pretty. And now we're going to go down to the beach. Well, we're going to park up next to the beach and maybe go head down there in a little bit. Go for a swim before heading on to our campsite for the night. It's time for an afternoon walk on this gorgeous secluded beach. There's no one else on it. Yeah! Is just beautiful. I think maybe it's the sand in our eyes. The wind is so bad. I don't know about this boat cruise in bloody 2.5 hours. I might call them soon and see if I can push it because to tomorrow or something. It's a bit hectic. So we're parked up at Nelson Bay now. This is where the dolphin cruise is going to be. And the weather's quite a bit better here, which is good. Quite calm. So we're going to take Murphy for a nice long walk and wear her out. Isn't that right, Sandy Face? Alright, so we're going to go do a dolphin tour. We're in Nelson Bay. Murphy's all safe and sound in the camper, so we're going to go do a dolphin tour. Where?
Fish that's now. They live here all year round, they do not migrate, so there's always a good chance that we're going to spot some as we make our way through. And we've found some right as we've left the marina.
We're closer. We're closer to here.
Very colourful sea slug. The other is a leafy sea dragon.
That reckons that's what we're doing. Everything else says it's certainly going to take like an hour. It looks like some nice easy highway hiking to the summit. These views are amazing. You can see my camper right there. This is phenomenal. I'm glad I did the hike before moving on to our food shopping. It's definitely worth it. So pretty. I kind of wish it was sunny so I could do it better. It's an awesome hike. Making my day for sure. So I made a stupid mistake. There's no campgrounds around here and in Nelson Bay and like Port Stephens and only caravan parks. I was like, oh fuck it, I just want something easy tonight. So I booked a caravan park. I found one for $40. Perfect, cheap, nice, loved it. Cheap for school holidays. And then the booking confirmation comes in and I booked for tomorrow night. Oh, for fuck's sake, not tonight. So I called up to see what they could do. And they, oh yeah, we can move you. It's an extra $49. Sorry, what? For an extra $49 because it's a Saturday. More than double. What the fuck? So I ended up, they had another park down the road that I could change it to and do it unpowered. That was a total of $69 for the night. Like, that's a joke. But I was about to lose the money, so paid more. But I'm keen to just take it easy. I think I'm a bit exhausted and I'm just a bit run down and burnt out from moving and everything. Now we're just going to check out the beach. Crazy the waves are right now. It's really choppy with the weather. It's also high tide.
That when the police went into the den where the two bodies were, that Jose Menendez's head had been.
I'm not sure if you can see me, but good morning on day 24. Come on, Murph. We are walking to the beach to see the sunrise. So come watch the sunrise with us. Stay here. Where should we go? Dog that was walking the beach was a very excited brown lab and was being way too rough for Murphy. And she screamed and I had to like protect her. And the owner finally walks up and was like, he's alright. I'm like, yeah, but she's not alright. He's too rough with her. So I had to like pick her up and protect her. There's a little tiny sailboat out there. There's a lot of blue bottles along the shore. Hopefully they're all not stingy because Murphy doesn't stand on them. What a gorgeous morning. A lot of big dogs on here though. Let me find a blue bottle. Lots of little ones. See? Yeah, get to stand on them. We should probably walk off the shore, off the waterline. Murphy's been a very good girl this morning. Haven't you? Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Chicken, actually. She is a very well behaved girl, which is good. Once she gets all her wiggles out, she just sticks with me like this. So we have had brekkie by the water at the whale lookout, which is nice. Now we're just doing the Slot Canyon walk. I'm still debating whether I want to do the quad bikes on the Stockton Dunes this afternoon or not. I think I should, but it's $169 with this company. Just a bit steep, but I think I should because I've always wanted to do it. Just expensive. We're going to do this lookout and then we're going to drive essentially close to where that is and check out Stockton Beach just from this, like, you know, from with it on foot, and then decide then, and we'll be right there if we decide to. Yeah, I thought this hot canyon's cool. Looks very nice on the photos, so let's check it out. I think we're getting here now. I know, a bit further. Slot Canyon lookout. Oh wow, gorgeous view too. Whoa. Whoa. That's epic. That's so cool. That's sick. Oh, it's rushing in. To get it when the tide comes in again. It's warming up now. We just ran into the chick from Paddy Pavilion where I bought my air mat. Well, I got anyway, one of the staff from Paddy Pavilion back in Brisbane, I just ran into her, which was really funny, so it was good to have a chat to her. The sun's coming out now, it's getting hot, so I think we are going to go book that sand dune experience on the quads. Let's do it. Alright, we're ready to go quad biking. Oh, I need the sunscreen on actually.
Good. Radio. Watch your head as you jump out, okay? We don't want anybody to.
good afternoon on day 26 or 25. I don't even know when I last filmed. It was probably the sand duning in Stockton. I am back in Maitland. I'm still in Newcastle. I just got my keys. I'm still in Newcastle. I stayed here Sunday night, and then Monday I just did lots of work, and then Monday night I went to dinner with a co-worker, which I forgot to film, and then so I didn't film anything for all of Monday. Oh, actually I don't need to. Then so now it's Tuesday. We've just been working heaps today, and went to Pet Barn and went to Pillow Talk, and I'll show you the new Doona and Doona cover I got, which are really beautiful. And now we're just trying to figure out where to go next. That's it. Yeah. Go. So it's been a chill few days. I've just been smashing out work and, you know, taking it easy, I guess. I haven't really figured out a plan yet for where I'm going, which is a bit annoying, but I'm kind of getting there. I think we're just going to go for a food shop and then go for a drive and see where we end up. I think it's going to have to be the way. Just trying to burn some energy off this little floofer. Hey! Just come to a beach. I'm just gonna check it out. Called Caves Beach. Yeah. Oh, you're just going the IGA? Yeah. So we made it to that lookout which you saw. We were FaceTiming with my sister-in-law, and now we're on the beach. What? Get it! Get it! Come on! Go, 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 go! Good morning. I think it's like day 27, I think maybe, or 28. I really got to check. I'm a bit behind on everything. It is nice and early. We're up checking out this beach. We stayed at Freeman's Camp last night. Yeah. Oh, what a beautiful break. I'm gonna take Murphy for a run and then head into town and maybe throw some laundry on and start work. She loves the beach. She absolutely froths it. A beautiful morning. We're just taking it easy, meandering our way down the coast. I was going to go out to Dumbo, but I decided not to. There wasn't much out there. So now we're just making our way slowly down the coast. Maybe we'll dug up to the Blue Mountains. Who knows? So we're at Onley State Forest now. There's no one else's campground yet. So I'll see how I feel tonight as to whether I stay. Hung out my washing. There's Murphy. Got Starlink running. We're just going to make some food and finish off some work. So work's finished, the rain's eased off, so we're going on a little walk and exploring around the state forest. See if we can make some friends.